Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. I trust that divine guidance has brought you here. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. This is vision weaving, and today's healing energy transmission is called the quest for fulfillment. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Be welcome. First of all, is clearing all of the energetic debris and detritus out of your energy field. This is information, sound bites, data, news, information that you've absorbed during the day, your to-do list, all of the red tape of life, all of the administration of life, all of the logistics. Just letting that all slip away for here and now, so that you can be really present to how you're feeling, how your body's feeling, what's going on inside of you. Take another deep breath for me. So consider this session to be an attunement, meaning bringing you into alignment with this yearning in you, with this desire to find fulfillment in your life. And recognizing that while you're always projecting into the future, or while you're always reflecting on the past, that you're always creating distortions in your field. While your mind is focused on these things, it's difficult to be present to the fulfillment that is right here, right now, in this moment. So right now we're going to take a beautiful, sweet, deep breath into the present moment of fulfillment. What does fulfillment look like for you? Aside from money in the bank or success in your career or a happy family home, what does fulfillment feel like to you? Is it a state of contentment? Is it peace of mind? Is it happiness? All of the qualities that really matter at the end of the day. Beyond the drive, beyond the motivation and the ambition, beyond the need to succeed, beyond the competitive nature of human beings and the capitalist culture that most of us live in. Maybe success and fulfillment looks like peace. Maybe success and fulfillment you'll find in the deepest stillness in the center of your being. And when you find that place in your being, you may notice that it's reflected in your waking experience of reality. And the things that we've been taught to desire, we've been taught to want to attain, are just naturally magnetized to you when you're in this state of peace. Maybe being fulfilled is feeling safe in your body. Maybe you've never felt safe in your body. So just right here, right now, we're going to breathe in fulfillment into the present moment. I am fulfilled right here, right now, in this moment. I am at peace right here, right now, in this moment. I am successful right here, right now, in this present moment. I am happy and joyful right here, right now, in this present moment. I am fulfilled right here, right now, in this present moment. Everything else that distracts or distorts or creates a talk or tension, resistance, blockages, obstacles, illusory constructs of the mind, or actual things that you're navigating in your daily life, symbolic, metaphorical, however they show up in your life. Just letting all of these constructs just dissipate, dissolve, resolve, absolve right here, right now, to bring you back into that sense of peace and stillness, awareness, the present moment, fulfilled, here and now, content, just to be content, just existing, just being present, this living, breathing work of art that you are, the masterpiece that you are, even if you're feeling like a hot mess, even if you're feeling like your struggles are overwhelming. Just in this moment, finding fulfillment and allowing that feeling to ripple out through all of existence, forever, unto eternity. And it's blissful. It's radiant. It's magnificent. And even if you can just hold it just for a nanosecond, just for a moment, and you slip back into your old constructs, your old patterns, your old beliefs, even that nanosecond, even that moment lights a spark. And you can come back to it again and again. And each time you sit with this stillness and this peace and this fulfillment, it expands and it grows and it becomes more consistent until it becomes the norm. And in this way you change the tide and you allow beautiful things to come into your life. You magnetize and attract. And instead of having the expectation or the driven ambition, there's simply delight and gratitude for when things show up. And the fulfillment and the success and the abundance comes in all ways. And always. And then you get to experience pure delight when it shows up unexpectedly, versus being fixed on an outcome, versus having the mind dominating. Just finding fulfillment in the allowing and the receptivity and the magnetism of your being. Deep, sweet, nourishing peace. True success and fulfillment.